Hey everyone, Matthew here at Earthworks. Just want to talk to you a few moments about these amazing little beauties here, these little 3-gallon lemons and limes. We just got these in not too long ago. It is a great idea for a gift. If you know somebody who's just moved into a new home or has a birthday or some kind of celebration, citrus are a great gift here in Northeast Florida. Relatively easy to grow in almost any condition. In this size here, you can grow them in containers for some time, or you can plant them directly in the ground. Just make sure that the citrus are getting at least a minimum of 4 to 6 hours of sun. That could be morning or afternoon. They like well-drained soil, so make sure they dry out in between waterings. They don't treat them like a cactus and go a month without water, but just make sure you check them and that they're not staying wet. Make sure they're well fed. You can choose a conventional or a organic fertilizer and keep them fed, because they do need plenty of good nutrients in order to make their flowers in the spring and then produce their fruit throughout the year. Citrus are ready to harvest in the winter time, so we will see the flowers, like I said earlier, in the spring. They will grow and mature throughout the season, and then when they start to turn color, that's when we harvest them in the winter time. Come check them out. We got quite a few here right now. 3-gallon citrus. See you guys next time.